Well, how do you know you're getting old? You snack on these Metamucil fiber-thin cookies. That's right, you eat these little babies, man, you'll be sitting down relaxing, going like this, texting, just relaxing on that throne. And then you stand up. You got a red ring around your ass for about 5 hours because you play Candy Crush or you do social media while you're sitting there finished. But you don't want to get up because it's too entertaining. But you eat these little wafer-thin things, and they're pretty good. They make apple crisp, chocolate, and these are called cinnamon spice. And they're expensive. They're like $1 just for these 2 little wafers. Ooh, man, I can't wait to munch on these things. And tomorrow, ooh, man, I can't wait to sit and relax and text you guys. Okay? All right, what are you up to? Did you have dinner, lunch? All right, you about going to bed or you about getting up? I never know when you guys are going to watch these videos. You might be watching live, or you could be watching this video 2 years down the road since I produced this bad boy on good old December 10th of 2024. All right, a couple days away. Live good. Uno, dos. Can you see my fingers? Uno, dos. That's right. I am speaking el Spanisho from my Mexican friends and everyone else that is from Spanish-speaking countries. All right? That's right. Uno, dos. And after that is tres, cuatro, and ca, siete, diez. All right. I think that if you're going to join Live Good, you should join in my group. All right? I want you to just make a decision, sit down and go, am I going to totally talk to a guy that eats Metamucil, damn words, I can't even say Metamucil. How about Metamucil? Okay. This guy eats little cookies. Wears his hat backwards like he thinks he's 18 again, although he's about 40 years older than that. Literally, I wish I was kidding. But yes, I would like you to join Live Good if you have not joined. Okay? I believe that right now, as we go on Uno Dos, our 2-year birthday, it's the best time because we have a lot of products now. And I'm going to show you how you can go check out the products. Wholesale, retail, our seals of approval. Everything you put in your mouth and poop out, you can see the ingredients. We do have some shirts and hats, little shaker bottles. We even have a plastic thing that vibrates. Okay? So don't get excited, ladies, and some of you guys. It's called a frother. All right? You put the darn thing in a glass of something, and it just vibrates, and I guess it makes you froth. Okay? I'm going to do that after I eat these little Metamucil cookies. Okay? Oh, they do smell delicious. I want to dip them in milk. Okay? That sounds pretty good. Maybe I'll do that at the end of the video. But I think joining Live Good now is awesome because the company is quite established after 2 years. The website, it's dialed in. The customer service, the credit card processing. We accept cryptocurrency. Okay? A lot of people in my downline, they're in smaller little countries. They don't have a bank on every corner like I do here in good old Utah where I live. So a lot of people, they're like, I'll do iPayout, or is it called BitPay? I think you've heard of all these Bitcoin cryptocurrency stories. But yes, cryptocurrency is a legit currency. I know when you hear cryptocurrency, you think, oh, someone's going to buy it for $1 and be a billionaire the next day. And more than likely, they lose like $1 million in 2 days. But no, cryptocurrency, believe it or not, it's a legit currency. And you bet your bottom dollar, guys, if you live in a country that you're comfortable paying in the old crypto, by gosh almighty, Live Good. Thumbs up, okay? Products, you got 90 days. You have 90 darn days to use and abuse and put that frother, put it in your mouth. I don't know what it does. But if it shorts out or you just didn't get the exciting feeling that you thought that throffer, whatever it's called, is going to give you, and I'm going to show you what it is here in a second. Get your money back because you have 90 days, 3 months. Okay? It's only $10 a month, $9.95. You get 5 cents back. All right? So pull out one of those $10 bills you got. And that's all it costs every single month to be a member. And I think you want to be an affiliate because for 2 $20 bills, I think that is that 40? For about $40, guys, you are an affiliate for life. Just like these bad tattoos I got 40 years ago. Look at that girl. She's an 80s woman in a sexy lingerie pulling her thing down. And look at that. She has Oakley blades. Remember Oakley blades? All right. I have some Oakley blades actually in the next room. I think I'm going to do a video with Oakley blades and pay tribute to this tattoo I got in about 1987. And it's just there. I just go like this and she giggles. And then I got a big, massive snake. Ooh, look at that. Just feel the venom. That's right, guys. Look at those guns. All right. I gotta take protein. I weigh about 220. I'm about 6'2", but when I transgenderize and I wear my sexy high heels, guys, in 6-inch pumps, I can be like 6'9". All right. I can play NBA basketball, and I do wear a size 14 shoe, and I do have big hands. But you know what big hands means? You got to wear big gloves. Oh, man, it is brutal out there, guys. But right now, it's December. And here in America, just speaking on behalf of what I've experienced, especially living here in Utah where it's cold, most people, they're not hiking or biking or fishing or boating or doing anything that ends in ing outside. Most people are inside. Now, sure, you might go snow skiing or snowmobiling. Maybe you're going to do some Christmasing. But I'll tell you what, most people are eating. They're putting on pounds, especially when I promote these darn apple cinnamon crisp wafer things that make you poop. But you want to lose weight and you want to make money. A lot of people, they spend about 5 to 10 grand. I just saw an article on this. If you have a $5,000 credit card and you can finance, $100, $200 a month, most people in America, they just say, screw it. We're spending every dime. And then they'll take about 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 months to pay that off. Okay, they'll cruise into the holiday of 2025 and they'll go right back in debt. Okay, if that's you, don't worry about it. Misery loves company. All right, everybody just loves to shop. Okay, and if you're going to shop, why not buy wholesale? Okay, that's why so many people, about 2,500 people a day, 60,000 people a month, they join. All right, they're joining my team. They're joining a lot of people all over the world because 200 countries are participating. China and Philippines is doing well. I read Africa, South Korea, congratulations. Kazakhstan, all right, even Canada, and those little countries over down there. Is it New Guinea, right by New Zealand and Australia? I got downline all over the place, and I like to chat with everybody, even people that don't even know English. We just go back and forth with Google Translate. Okay, so I have a certain way that I'm pretty darn good at signing people up. I'm nearing about 400. I should have 500 in 2025. But I like to make business cards simple. Vista print, $25, $5 shipping. I buy CoryDraper.com and joincory.com. Guys, I get them for about $11 at GoDaddy, and I forward them to the Live Good capture page. You want to see what it looks like? Just go to joincory.com. Put your name and your address in those little boxes. Just do it, because I'm going to send you an email. And if you want to join, just click the Live Good email. Then every day for a month, you'll get one nice email from Live Good giving you more information. If you want to join as an affiliate, awesome. But if you just want the products, you can buy normally just as a customer. But if you want to buy our products, why don't you save money and be a member for $10 a month? But guys, for $49.95, you're a member. You can be an affiliate. You can earn money like I'm doing. And I'll show you everything I do to get signups. You can see I've got about 9 signups just in the last week or two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I had a couple people join today. Look, it's December 10th. We're going on the 11th tomorrow, and then a couple days. All right, it's going to be Happy Birthday, Live Good. We turn 2. We have a contest going on where everybody can earn $5,000, $2,500, $500, and $100. All you got to do is just sign people up, get people to, enter the free health survey. We have all these videos already made that you can use to help people make a decision. Because I know most people, they're not going to want to do video like I do. And I get it. It's like, it's just kind of crazy. You got to wear a hat backwards. You got to promote Metamucil cookies. And you got to, pick your nose and do crazy stuff. But in my experience, I find video highly entertaining and a lot of fun. But guys, please don't think you have to do video to be successful. If you join my group, I'm going to give you an email on how to get good at emailing. I email about 100,000 emails per day. All right. And guys, I'm quite successful, not just in Live Good. I make a pile of cash in Legacy Builders program. Do you see this? I'm very comfortable at making $100 to $900 a day with this company just alone. Live good. Like I said, I got about 9 signups over the last week or two. Multiple income funnel. I want you to look at this because it's a funnel system I use to pull in thousands of dollars of cash per month. And my lead gen is the email system I'd love you to look into. Okay. And all you got to do is just go to corydraper.com. The page you're looking at right now, it's free. You can go, let me scroll down and I'll show you, I guess do you see right there, Linktree? This company's been around a long time and you can build just a free page. And you can pay a couple bucks if you want more fancy features, but I just chose a background of a girl drowning in this mystery hand creepy guy grabbing her. Okay. And I just put my opportunities that all complement Live Good. Live Good's my baby, but I got to give it honey and milk and sunshine and a warm little blankie. I got to buy Huggies and wipe its cute little butt because I want it to be a nice little tot and a teenager and a big, strong person or woman or just a human being. Okay, but when you're only 2 years old, you need traffic. You need some sunshine, air. You need some laughter and some good times. And you will find, guys, I honestly believe that if you follow the way that I like to promote Live Good, I think you'll have a good chance of being happy with your signups. All right, the money's there because you can be an affiliate for $40. And the best part about Live Good, honestly, the products are not embarrassing. Because if you do affiliate marketing, network marketing, MLM, you're probably happy just going to Walmart in America and buying your products and you're happy. Or you're ashamed or embarrassed and you don't want to bring up anything with the company that you're trying to promote. You're trying to get people to sign up so you can make money, they can make money. But in reality, your upline makes all the money and people at the top. And of course, the owners that are way at the top. All right, they're at the penthouse suite. Live Good, the way that our matrix is set up. All right. Somebody 40 levels deep in my, let's say, matrix, they can make way more than me from like the first or second day. And I've been in about a year and a half. Okay. That's the beauty of Live Good. Everybody has the opportunity to earn money, to earn a substantial amount, or just earn a little bit. If you need an extra $200 to $500, in my opinion, I think that's definitely obtainable. Okay, would you spend $10 to make 100? Would you spend $10 a month to make 500? Or how about income that you can actually pay your bills and build a room like this with Hot Wheels and crazy Legos? And look, I got the new Farrah Fawcett Barbie from the 1976 poster. I'm going to get that down and hold it up to my camera on my next video because I think she's sexy. And I just love that little Ferrera. Her name's Farrah. I almost said Ferrari. I was looking at too many cars, I think. But anyway, I appreciate your time, guys. I really do. Thank you to the 9 people that signed up with me the last week or two, okay? I send everybody an email. I break down what your capture page is, how I email. I give you 140 free emails and the subjects that you put in. I show you the funnel system. I even configure. I give you the exact template of the funnel system that I use. And if you want to go to pleasewatchvideo.com, you can see. Okay, you got $49, look into it. You got $49.95, you need to join Live Good. You got $25, guys, you need to make some business cards. Because on a street level, please don't talk about Live Good or any opportunity. Give people a business card. Hey, Hank, how you doing? How's your wife? How's your 12 kids? Okay, here, give your wife my business card. And don't have her call me. But if she wants to join Live Good, that's awesome. Okay. That's all I do on a street level. I'm not going to sit and talk about Live Good. I'm kind of a smartass by nature. I'll just screw it up if I talk about the comp plan or the products or the opportunity. I'd rather talk about Harley Davidson's or Farrah Fawcett Barbie. Okay. Or maybe, I don't know, that's Mr. Potato Head dressed like Ace Frehley of Kiss. All right. There's a lot more fun things to talk about than making money, earning money. Join. I'm desperate. I'm clingy. Join me or I'm going to cry like a biatch. You don't have to do that with Live Good. It speaks for itself. It's a nice piece of steak. Maybe put some salt and pepper, some A1 on it and grilled onions. But I'll tell you what, Live Good, it'll attract people just on its own. People will join Live Good with or without you or me. But they have to join under affiliates. And if you got $40, spend it. You got $10 a month? Come on now. And I'm going to do the best I can. So if you do have a $10 bill and you go ahead and invest that baby every 30 days, I want you to make 10 to 15 times that. I want you to grant Cardone it 10x. How about 1000x it? Okay, it's just as easy, same effort to make an extra $10 a month that is 100 or 1,000 or 10,000. We just got to get really good at inviting people to watch our videos, to open our emails, to maybe look at our business cards, other than put them in their teeth and just, get that little Kentucky Fried Chicken out of your teeth. Do you go like this with a credit card or a business card? Well, if you do, that's okay. You can even throw mine away or write your grocery list, your little honey-do list on the back of my card. But they're so damn cheap. But guys, make business cards. Don't explain Live Good in person. Just let people go to the capture page, okay? And I'll end my video like this. Joincory.com. Go to it. You're going to see the Live Good capture page. You got the website. You've got customer service. You got shipping and handling. Everything is already done. You're not going to find a better opportunity. Not for $49.95, you're not. And you know how I know? Because I have everybody and their dog trying to get me to join their opportunity. And when I look into their opportunity, it's not as good as Live Good. It's just that simple. It's just not. Okay? So if you haven't joined Live Good yet, and if you got $50, spend that 50. Let's get it back as fast as possible. It's only $49.95. Guys, you get a nickel back. That's right, because Live Good cares. All right? Spend that nickel on Christmas. Buy your kids something nice. Like maybe a piece of paper. And then tell them to write down what they want for Christmas next year. Okay? Because you only have a nickel. All right. So, guys, I love you a long time. And I appreciate the last 15, 16 minutes. Okay? And, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do an insane amount of video with a handful of opportunities that I do to rock and roll and live good. Okay? They're all working great. They're making a substantial amount of cash. I'm really happy. Every 30 days, I got more than enough money coming in. And I'd love to share for free the information, what I do. And to make it easy, why don't you just go to CoryDraper.com, because all my opportunities are all listed in a row. Okay, I put Live Good at the top, and each little button, they're just short little videos. Okay? I really just enjoy making videos. I just feel like I'm at least earning the money that's coming in, because right now most of my business is on automation mode. Okay? And I want you to enjoy the same situation I have, because you're busy. You're a mom, you're a dad, you might be retired. Maybe you just like to sit back and watch TV and eat. There's nothing wrong with that. Just invite me over. We're going to watch Cobra Kai on Netflix. We're going to watch Landman, Tulsa King, Yellowstone, Wind River, 1923, Lioness, everything from Taylor Sheridan. He's my favorite writer for some reason right now. Okay? But if you like to sit back and just relax and watch life on the old boob tube, there's nothing wrong with that, guys. But you need to make money. Let's get you into something where you're sleeping, pooping, relaxing, but you know what? You're earning. Okay? There's nothing better than when emails are going out every 5 seconds. Okay? Your posts, your videos, they're on YouTube. They're sitting there on your social media, just sitting there. They're just looking attractive and sexy people. They like to look at your ad and maybe your butt cheeks too. Okay? I know I'll look at them. Mostly women. But you guys, I might have to look at your butts too, just to see how mine look in this old chassis of mine that's almost 60 years old. So, all you got to do is just make a decision. Okay? My daddy would say this: shut or get off the pot. Because if you don't, you're going to have a ring around that ass of yours for about 5 hours after you're finished. And buy Huggies. Cucumber aloe vera is my favorite. Okay? If you're going to wipe, man, why don't you rock and roll while you wipe? Those Huggies are the best. Okay, there you go, guys. I'm going to shrink up and I'm going to show you my favorite domain, because it features my name, CoryDraper.com. This is it right here. Just highlight each button, click it, watch these little buttons. And guys, I really do appreciate you putting up with me, okay? All right, peace and love. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get a hold of me. I'm on Facebook, or Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email address, okay? Thanks, guys. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Okay, take care.